Okay, look, you know how you're always talking about how you can simulate all that stuff on your computer? You know? What's the difference? Why can't we simulate a girl?
I don't know. I guess I could, but why? It's two-dimensional on the screen. It's not flesh and blood, Gary.
Well, I know that, but you know, we can use it. Why? We can ask it questions. We can put it in real life sexual situations and see how it reacts. Like real sick, demented shit. You'd love it.
Well, what about your girl in Canada?
She was in Canada. Girls no morals. You know, I don't like that on a girl. It's rough having those kind of relationships. You'll see. Anyway, get to work. I mean, anything bigger than a handful, you're risking a sprained toe, you know, and
Yeah.
yeah. Perfect.
Okay. Now what?
Should we give her a brain?
Yeah, we can play chess with her.
Chess? Just give her a brain, okay?
Okay, that's about all we can do with my stuff.
I can't believe this shit. I can't believe this. Did you get a free toaster with this too?
Gary, it's smarter than you, okay? Problem is, it's a lame idea, okay?
Not a lame idea. The problem is your computer's a wimp and we need a lot more power than this. That's the problem.
What do you suggest? Gary? By the way, why are we wearing bras on our heads?
Ceremonial.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
She's alive! Alive!
So, what would you little maniacs like to do first?